Alright, so if you want to read books, documents, or audiobooks in one place using Scribd, yeah, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open Scribd and sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook account. Now choose a subscription plan to unlock full access to books, audiobooks, and documents. Once you're in, you'll see a home feed with recommended books and trending content. Use the search bar to find any book, topic, or document you want. Click on any title to start reading or switch to audiobook mode if available. You can also download content so you can read or listen offline anytime. Tap Save to add books or documents to your personal library for easy access later. Scribd also lets you upload your own documents and share them privately. And yeah, that's how you use Scribd step by step. It's basically an all-in-one reading and learning platform.